Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2017 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, security system, cruise control, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.